A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for koi. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. बाय बाय बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।